guys is the best sparag. I love this, guys. I love this sparag, guys. Sparag. Wild sparago. Sparago. I don't know if this sparago in English too. Look at this, guys. Look. This is wild. Wild is the best, guys. Wild is the best. There's a lot, guys. There's a lot. Kasi guys, pag kinat nila, guys, tutubo yung mga ano, guys, yung wild sparag. Marami-rami na, guys. Okay na to. Ganito karami, guys, ang kainan na yan. This is good. This is like, this is good to be true. Dito, guys, ang daming lao. Oh, there's a lot, guys. There's a lot. Where you can take a lot. A lot. A lot. Look at that, guys. Oh, so beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Wild sparag. This is too expensive, guys, in the Philippines. But here you can only collect during spring season. During spring season, guys, we can collect this sparag. And we can find some. Can find some mushroom, but here now we can't have. We don't have that mushroom. Anyway, guys, as long as we have this, look at, guys. What a beautiful, guys. What a beautiful. What a beautiful. Ito, guys, yung advantage pag you're out of the city. Ngayon, pag within the city ka, guys, saan ka mangunguha nito? So, guys, where you can find this wild sparag? Okay, guys, we are boundary now, and we have this wild sparag, guys. For me, that's enough. And we will cook this with 4 eggs. With 4, we have ecologic eggs too. So that's a good, that's a perfect combination, guys. That's why I love to live in the countryside. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, guys, hanggang dito na lang yung ating pangunguha ng wild sparago. At saka yan na lang natin kung paano natin lutuin itong wild sparago, guys. Dito siya, buddy, let's go, buddy. Okay, guys, we have this wild sparago, guys. Look, oh, there's a lot. This is a wild sparago. This is masarap, guys. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. Okay guys, after walk with my buddy. This is my buddy guys. And we are having an exercise. Walking. Dito guys sa amin is so silence. Silence is overwhelmed guys. Walang katao-tao. We're in the middle of nowhere. Kaya guys dito, tingnan nyo man guys, wala kaming kapitbahay. We don't have a neighborhood. I have only my buddy. And we're going to go around and see our polo sports horse. Dito guys, pinalinisan na namin. Yan guys. This is the entrance guys. Yan. Dito guys, malinis na. Napalinisan na namin guys dyan. Yan. Kaya guys, everything is under control. Kaya yung body ko guys, okay lang. Nilalakad lang siya. Wala siyang magawa sa buhay. Samantala ako guys ay nandito nag-exercise. Ayan guys, ang ganda na namin guys. Oh. Kaya guys, pag na-beast kayo dito sa amin, entrance pa lang, solve ka na. This is the aisle. So look, the golden aisle. This is not the golden aisles guys. This is just an entrance. This is just an afternoon walk guys. Yung kabayo namin guys nandun. Nandun yata sa taas yung kabayo namin guys. Tingnan natin. Our pole sports horses. Nandun siya sa taas guys. Tingnan natin guys kung nasaan sila. Yun, nandun sila guys. Nasa taas sila. They are up there. Kaya guys, nandun yung ating mga polo sports horses guys. Yan. Yan sila. Yan. Now guys, it's green but it's cloudy. The view is amazing. And I love this place guys. This place for me is the best. For me guys, I don't know. Kung sa inyo guys is the best din. Iba naman lang yung taste. Yung taste ko is ganun, the best. Yan, yung si body ko. My body. Her name is Zumba. My body Zumba. My body. Let's go buddy. Let's go buddy. And guys, dito malinis na sa ano ang entrance namin ngayon. And then we have a wild asparagus guys. Here we have a lot of wild asparagus. Guys, ito. This is a wild asparagus. Guys, this is a wild asparagus. Where we can collect at springtime. This is a wild asparagus guys. This is so good. This is a wild asparagus. This is wild guys. Yeah, collecting this one is the best. What else guys is we can cook this as tortilla. I don't know where's my body guys. Ba! There's a lot guys. There's a lot of wild asparagus. We need to collect this. Because now is the season. Collecting wild asparagus. After several days, we can't collect this one. Now it's the time. Look guys, this is wild asparagus. This is ecologic, guys. There's no fertilizer, there's no insecticide, there's no herbicide, and 100% ecologic. That's why this is the best. This is the best thing we can treat our body. This is the best, guys. This is the best for me. Yung iba nga, guys, ano siya, over na, matataas na, kaya. Pero guys, dito yung asparago. This, guys, here we can click wild asparago, and then we can make it tortilla. Tortilla in Spanish. As they used to make it as tortilla. So wild asparago, guys. Now is the season to collect this. We can eat this tonight or tomorrow. This one, this does not exist in the city, guys. It's only in the farm, guys, in the farm.